What are Dallas's Pioneer Plaza cattle drive statues? Have you ever wondered what it would be like to witness a cattle drive in the heart of Dallas? The Pioneer Plaza cattle drive statues bring that experience to life right in downtown. These impressive bronze sculptures celebrate the historic cattle drives that were once a vital part of Dallas's identity in the 19th century. The installation features a vibrant scene with 49 larger-than-life Texas longhorn steers and 3 cowboys on horseback. Each longhorn stands about 6 feet tall and weighs nearly 1,200 pounds. The cowboys are dressed in period-accurate attire, skillfully guiding the herd. Artist Robert Summers created these remarkable sculptures, which were unveiled in 1994. They are part of Pioneer Plaza, a 4.2-acre public space designed to resemble a natural landscape. The plaza includes native plants, a flowing stream, and limestone cliffs, providing an authentic backdrop for this dynamic cattle drive scene. The statues symbolize Dallas's connection to its Western heritage and the cattle trails, particularly the Shawnee Trail. This trail was the first route used to drive Texas longhorn cattle north through Dallas before the Chisholm Trail became more popular. The project was initiated by Dallas real estate developer Trammell Crow, who envisioned a Western-themed sculpture that would representing the city's historical roots. Funding for the project came from private donations, totaling about $4.8 million. The Texas Trees Foundation dedicated the installation to the city of Dallas. Today, the Pioneer Plaza cattle drive statues are one of the most visited attractions in downtown Dallas, second only to Dealey Plaza. They not only pay tribute to the cattle drives but also serve as a cultural landmark that reflects Dallas's identity and history. While some local artists have raised concerns about historical accuracy, the sculptures remain as a powerful symbol of Dallas's past during the cattle driving era. Additional features of Pioneer Plaza include a waterfall, man-made cliffs, and detailed historic elements on the sculptures, enhancing the experience for visitors. Each longhorn has unique expressions and poses, and they are branded with a D for Dallas, showcasing the city's pride in its heritage. The Pioneer Plaza cattle drive statues representing a significant cultural and historical asset that honors the city's origins and celebrates its Western roots. They provide an engaging public space for education and tourism, making them a must-see for anyone visiting Dallas.